I'm about to show you how you can make the easiest money of your life just using Facebook on your phone. What's up guys, it's Petty. You can be back with another video, and today is actually not going to be about dropshipping, even though most of my videos are about dropshipping. You can see this is how the model works. You can check my profile. I have a bunch of other videos. And by the way, if you're more interested in dropshipping, go down, leave a subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I come up with new videos every single week. And like this video, I also come out with different ways to make money. So make sure you leave a subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. But let's jump straight into the video. So I was thinking the other day is that when you go out and you're going to start dropshipping, a lot of you guys are going to be on a budget and you're very nervous about actually going out there spending money on advertisement. So actually, the funny thing is that in this video, I'm going to show you a live example. Right now, the clock is around 3 p.m. In about 2 to 3 hours, a guy's will come here and hopefully purchase a thing of mine, which is what the video is going to be about, because this thing is something that I actually just had laid around here in the house. So what I just did is that I'm going to show you that in a minute. I just cleaned everything up, took some nice pictures, actually pretty simple pictures, put it up on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, Facebook Marketplace is the thing we're going to talk about today. And within 2 hours, I posted it here at my house. I drove into the inner city to have a workout. Once I arrived in there, I had 3 messages, and throughout the day I had around 8 messages. So, and that is with 0 in advertisement, and it is so easy to put up a product on Facebook Marketplace rather than using eBay, Amazon, wherever you name it. That's a long listing. It's so easy. So I want to show you what I did to sell this product, hopefully in the next couple hours, and what I will do once I receive the money, what I will do with that amount of money to actually buy something new or something else and sell that again, but make sure that I of course get a good enough deal on it so I can make the money back. So this video is going to be very interesting because absolutely everybody in this video here, you guys can do it. You don't have to put money up front. We all have stuff at home that we can sell, and we all have Facebook. So this video is about to get very interesting. So guys, we are now in the garage. First off, I'm sorry if the lighting is pretty bad in here. It is what we have to work with. I'm in a damn garage, right? So right in front of me right now, I have the product I am selling. So let me show. Here, boom, we got it. This is a set of wheels, 4 wheels in total, of course, for a car. They are called Ocean Pure Perfection, and they are pretty damn cool. There's a couple guys here, plus my girlfriend and her 2 brothers, who know about these wheels. I actually got them from their awesome dad, because the plan was actually that I were to get them on my car, which is right outside there. The plan was actually to get them on there. It really never actually happened for some odd reason, and now I'm about to sell the car. I'm just gonna turn like this. Don't want to talk to the wheels. I'm about to sell my car, so I figured it wouldn't make sense to pop them on now, because I have original wheels on my car right now, which I believe would be better for the value of the car. So I was like, you know what, might as well try to sell them. I didn't think much of it, and then from there maybe buy some new wheels. But actually I want to try something new here, because I've always thought about, I'm doing dropshipping full time. I'm helping people do the exact same thing. I have links down below if you're interested. I just love working online, and I work here from the comfort of my home. But I've always wanted to get something by the side, where I buy and resell. So what I'm doing right now, pretty much, I took decent pictures of these. I'm gonna put them up here in the video. I'll put them into the Facebook Marketplace. It's literally, I'm not kidding, it took 2 minutes. Put them up here, and again, within a couple hours, I already got some offers. And today, the guy, we have already agreed he's gonna buy them, but of course, he can always change his mind once he sees them. But the pictures are very transparent, which they should be, because the customer is actually coming to you. It's not like a dropshipping business. So when he comes here, I'm pretty sure he's gonna buy them. And then when I get that money, of course I got that money, that's awesome. But then my plan is, with that money, I'm then going to go out there and find a new great deal on a product that where the value of course is higher than this, or else we're going to be stuck. Because it could be absolutely anything you have. Like we got 2 bikes there. We got this thing for the garden. We got a golf set there. Like it can be a bunch of things. Wait, we got wheels up there and wheels up there. It can be all things you have in your house. It doesn't have to be anything massive. You know, to pay off your phone, your rent, whatever it is. It's money. So I'm super excited. So what I'm gonna do now, the next clip is gonna be hopefully after these are sold. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the stew, the office where the magic actually happens, and not in the bedroom. So the big question is, did I sell them? Because as I mentioned in the last clip, I was waiting for a guy to come and see them. And did I sell them? Yes, I did. I have the money right here. I got this. This is 1,200 Danish crowns, which will be estimate something around $200. So now this, I'm gonna keep this and already go ahead and buy something new because I want to keep this challenge alive. Maybe this video is maybe going to be turned into a challenge. I am going to post this as one video, but if I keep going with this and I keep finding success, I'm going to put it into a bigger video. So it's going to be like a challenge. So it's gonna be fun. But yeah, I sold them, honestly, and it was so easy. Again, as I mentioned, with just a pair of wheels that I had here at the house, and all I did was cleaning them up because I weren't gonna use them. I would give them for free, which I'm very appreciative of, but I'm about to sell my car, so I can't use them, and nobody else is gonna use them. So either way, they're just gonna lay somewhere, and that's useless. So I figured, why not to try to do a challenge, right? I'm not gonna blow this money or anything. I want to try to build it up. So I cleaned them up, took some decent pictures, again, pretty just decent pictures with my phone, put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and as I mentioned, it only took like 45 seconds to put up the listing, whereas if you haven't tried yet by eBay and such like that, that takes forever, and it can be real headache if you haven't done it before. So it's super easy, and because of there's so many people going through Facebook each and every day, there's so much traffic for free, and it took a couple hours, and I have a handful of offers, and you know, we just agreed on that day that, hey, you can come and get them. It can be if you are a part-time job, if you have a full-time job but you really don't like it, or you have some bills that man, you just don't want to be at zero after you gotten your check. It can be that you're doing dropshipping and you need money to run a dropshipping store, and at the time maybe you don't have enough from this job you have here, or you maybe want to try not to have that job so you can focus more on dropshipping. Buy and resell, guys. It's super simple, and it takes $0 to start because we all have something at our house, wherever we live, that have some form of value that we can put up for sale. I'm going to show you another example. Today I'm about to list this PlayStation 3. I have 3 controllers for it. I have 7 games. I have all the cables for it, and I have all the charging cables. That's a great bundle. I'm going to put that up for sale for Facebook today. And this money, what you're simply going to do is that you're going to go on to, that can be eBay, that can be Facebook Marketplace, garage sales. Find stuff, take your time, research stuff, find something where you know that right there, I can sell that for $200, but you can put the price down and buy it for $175, $125. You see, those small gains each and every time, that's profits, right? That's going to add up. And now you're going to stand with money that you didn't even have in the beginning, and you haven't invested anything, only the money that you've gotten from selling that thing you already had. So this video has been very fun to make. I can't wait to document the journey with the PlayStation and with the things I'm about to buy. I can't wait to show you the process of actually buying and not just taking something from home. So it's going to be super interesting. So this video have been a bit different than just dropshipping, but I think that's awesome for you guys to see as well. Go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I'm going to come out with a lot of interesting videos this time going forward. And right down below, there's my Instagram as well. If you have any questions about buying and reselling, any questions about dropshipping, give me a DM. I'll be right there to answer you. Give me a follow. I'll follow you back. It's going to be super awesome. So have a great day, guys, and go out there and be resourceful. It's all it takes. Bye.